Hello year 11. So welcome to a new outcome, which is marketing a business. Now let's look at what marketing a business is going to involve. Okay, so we are going to cover our 10 key knowledge points, which are given on your page number 239 of your book. All right. Now, I'm not going to go through all of this, but this is just a snapshot of what we are going to cover throughout this outcome. Okay. Now, at the end of this outcome, you should be able to explain the importance of establishing a customer base and a marketing presence to achieve the objectives of the business. Analyze effective marketing and public relations strategies and apply these strategies to business related case studies. Okay, so we are going to cover all of this, but this is what you seem to be achieving at the end of this outcome. Okay, now let's look at the first key knowledge point. The first key knowledge point is the relationship between marketing, establishing a customer base, and business objectives. Okay, let's see what does it have. All right, now this was the link I posted on Friday. Hopefully you've watched all the videos of the advertisements from few years ago. They're the top 10 greatest Australian television commercials. So what did you think about these commercials? Okay, do you think they have increased the sales of the products? Do you think the advertisements play a great role in increasing the sales of the products? So this is something I want you to think about. Now, what is marketing? All right, so marketing, this is the definition that you should be learning, making notes in your notebook as well. A total system of interacting activities designed to plan, price, promote, and distribute products to existing and potential customers. Okay, now again, it involves four aspects. So planning, price, promotion, and distribute. Okay, so planning is product, price, again distribution and promotion. So these are the four things that marketing covers. Okay, so now again, for planning, let's start from product. What are the features of the product you're trying to sell? Quality, branding, what sort of packaging, services, and warranties your product is having. Okay, again, pricing. What is your price strategy? How are you calculating the selling price? Okay, allowances, discounts. We see so many discounts in Kohl's, Safeway, JB Harvey Norman. Okay, what is the strategy to put items on discount? Okay, payment terms. What are the payment terms? Okay, we have afterpay these days. People make the purchase and make that into the paid into the 4 equal installments. Okay, when businesses buy lots of inventory, they get terms. They make payment after 30 days or 60 days. Okay, these are the payment terms. All right, place, channels, market coverage, again location, inventory, and transport. These are the things you need to think about. And again, how are you going to promote your product? So sales, promotion, advertising, public relations, and direct marketing. Okay, now with marketing, we think that most of the marketing is done with advertising. That is true, but advertising is not the only form of marketing. It can be done in various other ways as well. Okay, we'll learn all the ways throughout this outcome. Okay, now next question comes here is customer base. So customer base is the group of customers who are expected to purchase goods and services from a particular business. Okay, so in nutshell, it means that if it is your business, the customers who are buying the products from your business are your customer base. Okay, now when you're looking at marketing a product, you need to look at what your target market is, customer base, who your customer base is, whether they are the young people, old people, okay, or Asian people, or vegan people, non-vegetarian, vegetarian people. So you have to keep all of these things in mind. Okay, I'm just taking the examples of the groceries. You look at JB Halfway, they target their needs to the customers. Okay, so you need to think about what sort of customer is in your mind. Okay, Now the businesses often develop a customer profile. So when they are planning or pricing or the 4 steps that we discussed earlier, they create a customer profile. Okay, now what is a customer profile? Okay, these are the 4 things that are included in customer profile. Now customer location and environment. Where is the customer located? Okay, for example, take the example of Kohl's. Okay, so if you go to different stores of Kohl's, you will see different products are being sold in different locations. Okay, this is because each store is targeted to the customer needs. Okay, now customer location and environment, customer behavior and needs that the business can satisfy. Again, whenever you're selling products, your customers are the main people who you need to think about, because they are the ones who are going to buy your product. Okay, so you need to look at what their behavior is, what their needs are, and what kind of need is your product going to satisfy. Okay, customer demographics, again, age, gender, education level, what sort of market are you targeting? Okay, customers' interests, favorite activities, lifestyle, opinions and values. Okay, what are they interested in? For example, like young people playing football, okay, basketball, or they want bikes. Okay, so that if you're looking at doing some of this product, you're targeting the young people, active generation. Okay, favorite activities, again, opinions, what their opinions are, what their values are, what do they think about that product. Okay, so this is how you need to create a customer profile. Now this is very important. Business objectives, now business objectives are some things that you need to consider, and they're going to stay the same up until year 12 as well. Okay, now the main aim of a business is to make profit. I think you all will agree to that. So the reason why we're starting a business is to earn money, right? We earn money when we make a profit in your business. Okay, now to make a profit, you need to do something in your business to be able to make that profit. Okay, so these are the business objectives. Okay, the main objective of the business are increasing sales, more profit. Okay, increasing market share, again, more penetration in the market, more customers you have, more products you are selling. Okay, expanding the size of the business, so making business bigger, and improving customer service. Okay, customer service plays a very important role, because customer service is the one that is going to attract customers. Okay, now evaluating and achievement of objectives, so let's look at that. So there are 4 steps: establishing a market plan, monitor performance, evaluate performance, and take corrective action. Now marketing objectives need to be able to contribute to the overall business objectives. Okay, so whatever you're thinking of using your marketing strategies, you have to make sure that they align to your business objectives, because that business objectives are something that you're ultimately wanting to achieve. Okay, establishing marketing plan, what do you want to achieve, what are the business's marketing objectives, what are the overall business objectives. These are the things you need to think about. Okay, now once you've done the plan, then you start marketing, then you monitor the performance. Okay, what is actually happening in the market. Okay, what are the statistics and other figures telling us. So you have to keep a record of data. Okay, evaluate performance. Once you monitor it, then you have to evaluate, you have to do some calculations. What is happening? Is it good or bad? Why? Okay, now these are some of the performance indicators that the businesses use. Okay, so sales analysis, market share analysis, marketing profitability analysis. These are some things that businesses will look at to evaluate the performance of the business. Okay, now once you analyze it, then you have to take some corrective action. What can you do to improve the results? Okay, what should be done about it? Okay, these are some of the things you need to consider. Okay, now this is the relationship between marketing, establishing a customer base, and business objectives. So business objectives are the main things that you're wanting to achieve. Now you will only achieve the business objectives if you have customer base. Okay, you will have customer base only when you're marketing, you're advertising your product. Okay, there are different ways of advertising. Okay, you're not going to have any customers if you're not marketing. about your product. How are the customers going to know that this product is in the market, they should be buying this product? Okay, so we are going to learn about different techniques of marketing as well. Now these are the activities that you should be working on, and once you go through all of these activities, you should have done these you should have done these on Friday, but if you haven't yet done them, this is your chance to do it. And this is the question I want you to answer in your notebooks as well. Okay, so Bailey has decided to start an ice cream shop in Sorrento. She does not have a lot of experience running a business, but an advisor said it was important to create and maintain a customer base. Okay, outline the term customer base, explain to the new owner the relationship between business objectives, establishing a customer base, and marketing. Okay, now what I want you to do is pay attention to the task words outline and explain. Okay, look at the task words and then answer this question. All right, have a good day, and if you have any questions, let me know. Bye bye.